Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Altar Tarot Cloth, the triple goddess with the pentagram, gold and silver on black. The Pentacle pentagram. So this is what it looks like here, just to give you a good idea. 24 inches by 24 inches. It is a square shaped, and this is like a heavy black 100% cotton, and it has these fringed borders here, so you can see they're not tasseled, they're fringed. But so far they haven't come undone, which is often a fear with that kind of fabric edging. And they're also these golden Celtic knot borders here. I love Celtic knots. I love their designs. I think they are so powerful and amazing. And I really like how it's silver and gold on the black. I think it just makes it more beautiful. And I originally got this because I crystal ball gaze, and crystals are very susceptible to different energies, and also with pure crystal, if sunlight shows through and magnifies, then it can often cause fire or things like that. So you don't usually want to keep crystal out, and so you usually find a dark cloth. However, this I found was not the right material for me. I need something lighter. I still love this cloth so much. I use it on my altar, and I don't really have a set altar. I bring it around with me, and I actually end up using this when I go and I perform rituals, like say I'm going to the park to do that, or I have to do some spell work. I will open up the cloth. It easily folds open, and I can carry it with me in my bag, and then that's what happens. So I'm able to just spread it out on the ground and use it and put whatever tools I need on here. So that's the kind of thing I really use it for. I also am a tarot reader, and it is great to put my cards out on, and it kind of protects them as well. A pentagram really is this protection. And then you have the three goddess, the three moons here symbol. So it's definitely durable. So if you need to perform rituals outside, or work on things in another place, this just helps you wrap things up and take it with you wherever you want to go. And as you can see, it was completely black on the back side here, so it's just one-sided mainly. I do light candles on it, but make sure that if you're doing that your candles are in a candle holder. This is not invincible just because the goddess sign is on there. It definitely needs to be protected, so make sure that you don't put flames on here, okay? The material is really durable. I definitely feel like it looks very authentic, the design, and it's still in excellent condition. I bought this in May, about 2 years ago, and I travel with it all the time. I'll put it in my luggage with me, because sometimes when I'm on trips, I like to have, the ability to do these spell works and just open up everything and have it there. Now, as you can see, there are folds here, and I do iron it sometimes, but when you're, using it on the go all the time, it's not something that's super important to me. Some people find it to be very important to have it all smoothed out. I totally get that, but that's just not my style. It's also really nice decor. So when you are kind of you can hang it somewhere, like a tapestry on the wall if you like, or if you put it on a table, like this one, for example, that works as well. And it's just a really pretty item as well. If you are going to iron it, I would turn it over. Don't iron the front, iron it on the back, just because you don't want to affect the design in any way. And to be honest, I've never tried to iron the front, but it's more common sense when you have items like with this kind of print on them, you usually want to do it from the back. And I have not replaced this. It has stayed with me for over 2 years. And it's just really simple, straightforward, lightweight cloth that I can carry around with me. New Age Imports has been around since 1995, and they specialize in altar supply and other New Age products, and they have, you know, great gift ideas. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you look into their products.